We've got Mr. PKD Nambiar who joins us at this stage. Mr. Nambiar, thanks very much for being with us. What are your thoughts at this stage, from a political standpoint? Perhaps Ryan Karanjawala wasn't the best person to have asked that question, but let me ask you this. In our country, our political leaders are impatient. They don't wait even if there is a legal process. How problematic is that to you?
In fact, this is what I was just, when you were asking the same question to Mr. Karanjawala, that the political system in our country has so impatient. They just jump that how our budget session was washed out only on the basis of a short seller from a particular country just come up with a report. Whether it is right or wrong, and that maybe time will tell. And today, of course, we got to know that there is much more than the real truth of what was being told to the world. And the people who were supposed to make money out of that, they have made it. I think one thing is very clear. I think the political parties, whether it is any party, I think they should be a bit more responsible. And every session after session from the last few years, before the session, there is some kind of a report comes up, and that becomes the, and most of our sessions are washed out over the last couple of years in a way. I think the time has come for all of us to come up with reports on other countries now, rather than we accept or we as if celebrate the loss of an enterprise or their share market, but we even forget the fact that there is a large amount of money of our own investors are going away just because of somebody's have got a hidden agenda against our country. So I'm not saying that it is all about just Adani as an organization. I believe that there is much more maturity our opposition parties needs to be showing. And I think I may go a step further, Vishnu, today that maybe Rahul Gandhi should have been just apologizing to the country that yes, he was making Adani means Modi. He was telling that Adani is India. Adani is, the country is sold to Adani. So many such remarks, not only inside the parliament, even the outside the parliament. I think the time has come for him to look back and see that there is something, a fundamentally strong regulatory bodies and one of the finest central bank in the world is in India. And I think there are times even irrespective of your political affiliation, your anti-establishment, but you should be proud of what we have, which has been created maybe his own forefathers as a Congress government. But I think let's take pride in our system. And today, this report, this 176 page, I had gone through a major portion of it. This clearly gives a feeling that we are a very strong economy. Our fundamentals with regard to the financial institution and management and the regulatory bodies are very, very strong. And they have been very, very actively monitoring everything. Imagine the word, you remember that LIC has been, the entire money of LIC is being pushed to Adani, and the Modi is paying money to buy it. But whereas the truth, everybody was known to that.
Okay, PKD, just half a second. Let me go across to the senior journalist Sanjay Singh with us.